Today, I am going to be giving away another freebie for sellers, and that is my Showings That Sell guide. Sellers, it is so important to create an experience for your buyers as they come through your house. You want to showcase the lifestyle of your home and what it would be like to live there. I'm Bethany Warnches, real estate agent with Addison Jones, and you are watching Tuesday Talks with Bethany, where I answer real estate FAQs. So, like I said, today I am going to be going through this Showings That Sell guide. It is something that is a part of my listing process, and it is something that I offer to my sellers because I want them to showcase their home in the best light, and I want their homes to shine. So, what's in here? So, first of all, I talk about creating the experience, and we want to really stimulate all of the senses of the buyer and make going through your home more memorable. So the first thing in here is your showing checklist, and this is to help you get ready for when you leave the house for a showing or for an open house, and the things that you should be doing to make sure your home can shine in its best light when you walk out that door and be confident. Then I have the top 10 list. So the top 10 list is really meant to help buyers visualize themselves in your home and picture themselves living there. So this top 10 list is created by you, and we put it out for buyers to read. So let me give you some examples of things that could go on a list like this. So say you have a big backyard that's fenced in, and you have loved playing in your fenced in yard with your dogs while you've lived there. Or say there is a park nearby that you love walking to. Or do you have vaulted ceilings that every Christmas you get the really tall Christmas tree, and it's a tradition to decorate it together, and it's just so much fun? Share that with a buyer. Do you have open concept where you have hosted the birthday parties and the holidays, and it's worked out really well because of the layout? Do you have a cozy fireplace, whether it's gas that you turn it on or it's wood burning that you light up the fire, and in wintertime you love using it? You have family game nights while it's going in the middle of winter, or it's just you and you cozy up with a good book and a glass of hot tea and you just enjoy that fire. So help them visualize their lives there. Now, you can even take it to the next level, and that is called bonus ideas. And taking it to the next level as we head into spring and summer, here's some ideas. So it's stimulating more senses. So it's spring. Say you have beautiful tulips coming up, and you want to cut some, put them in a vase, have them on the table, leave a note, let them know that you love to do this every spring. It brightens up your home. It's fresh. They smell great. Or rhubarb will be coming up soon enough, and you've got a great rhubarb patch, and you love to make your grandma's recipe of the rhubarb bars. So leave out some rhubarb bars, leave out the recipe, and let the buyers try it out. Or say fast forward to the end of July, and we have raspberries. Pick those raspberries, put them in a bowl, let the buyers taste some of your fresh raspberries. Or do you have a nice back patio, have a nice furniture set out there, leave a pitcher of lemonade and some glasses, and encourage the buyers to sit down and enjoy a glass of lemonade and enjoy your backyard. So you want them to experience your home. And that's what that is all about. The last thing that I have in this Showings That Sell guide is really just some tips for you if we are in a hot market and how to handle that. So say you have 3 showings, and then you have like a half-hour break or an hour break, and then there's 2 more showings, and then there's an hour, and then there's 2 more showings. So how to handle all of that and some strategies for it. So I hope this was helpful to you if you are thinking of selling. Again, I just did a highlight of it. But this is really a part of my process. And I, again, am offering it to you today as a freebie. So you can message me and I can email it to you. and then you'll have it. So I've been doing videos every other week now, but next week I am going to be doing one. It just works out better with my schedule. So I'm doing it that way. And I'm going to be covering inclusions and exclusions and fixtures and what's normally included in a transaction. And I think this could be helpful to both buyers and sellers. So feel free to tune in next week and learn more. So thanks for joining today, and I will see you next time.